Started my own practice about 13 years ago. I made the decision then to limit my practice to only 10 cases at a time, and that way I can provide each client with a lot of individual attention. Some of the types of bicycling cases that I've handled include one that involves the most common type of injury with a cyclist in a motor vehicle. It's referred to as a left cross, and it's where the cyclist is going straight and a car is approaching from the opposite direction. The car turns left, either directly in front of the cyclist or sometimes strikes the cyclist, typically because the car is not looking at that area where the cyclist is. It's referred to as a left cross. And in that case, the cyclist was not hit by the car. He very smartly tried to avoid the vehicle, and as a result, he went down and fractured his hip pretty badly. And in that case, the insurance company was trying to deny the claim, and their argument was that there was no physical contact, and their insured, who was driving the motor vehicle, never did strike the cyclist, and basically the cyclist fell down. And knowing what the cyclist was trying to do, he was trying to execute something called a quick right turn, where the cyclist basically makes a 90-degree turn. And we teach that in cycling safety classes. It's very difficult to do even in a classroom environment, extremely difficult to do in an environment that this cyclist found himself in. And after the defense attorney got involved, I found a video of exactly how we teach this quick right turn, sent that to the defense attorney and said, this is what my client was trying to do. It was much better than him hitting the car head on where he could have been killed or severely injured, and it's a result of their insured's negligence that he tried to do this. And then after that, the case settled for policy limits. And so one of the lessons there is that if you're injured, even though there's no contact with a car, if a car did something wrong, you could still be compensated for your injuries.